The Los Angeles County Civic Art Collection is comprised of over 600 historic and contemporary artworks from over 250 artists. Since 2004, the Civic Art Division of the Department of Arts and Culture has been dedicated to expanding and stewarding this collection. Part of this work involves ensuring that the public, artists, partners, and both internal and external stakeholders have access to information about our artworks. Now, using any desktop or mobile browser, you can view all artworks in the collection through the Department of Arts and Culture's website by navigating to Experiences, Civic Art, and scrolling down and clicking on County Collection. From here, you can now sort, search, and access detailed information about our civic artworks, as well as explore an interactive map that displays their locations. By toggling between Gallery and Map View, you can look at each artwork individually or find those that are nearest in your community. Zoom and scroll on the map to hone in on a particular location to learn about what artworks are located there, as well as click Learn More to go to the individual artwork page to learn about the artist, artwork site, and more about the artwork, including photographs. Users can use the sort function to sort by object date, inventory number, or collection name, but you can also use the search feature to search by artist, year, district, title, or location. For example, if you want to see all the artworks in the first supervisorial district, you can type in District 1, and it will show you all the artworks in that location. You can use this feature to find any information available on this initial artwork page as it appears. So for example, if you wanted to look for artwork in a particular county department, type that department name, for example, Public Library, in this search bar, and it will sort and yield the results of your search. So this is only showing you artwork that currently is located in public libraries. By using the tab menus at the top, you can go from artwork to artist view, and you can search and look things up by artist. For example, by clicking on Kim Abley's, one of our civic artists, you can see all the artwork she has in our collection. You can also scroll up and toggle between gallery and map view to see where those artworks are located, and it will only show you artworks by Kim Abley's from that list. You can also scroll and zoom to an individual point of interest to click Learn More to go to the artwork page. From the menu, you can also look at Collections tab to learn more about subcollections such as deaccession artwork, which is artwork which is no longer in our collection but still exists as an archive record. For example, if you click on Sonia Romero's deaccession piece, it will tell you where it was, more about the artwork, and you can look through images of the artwork. If you click on her name, it'll take you to the artist page and show you the other artworks by her in our collection, although the deaccession work will not be mapped. You can also view the Golden State Mutual Art subcollection, which consists of artworks from the former Golden State Mutual Life Insurance Company, which collected artworks from Black and African American artists. By toggling between gallery and map view, you can see the locations of each of these artworks, as well as learn more information about them and plan your visit. We hope you use this tool to learn more about the artworks in Los Angeles County Civic Art Collection, as well as browse images and utilize the map feature to locate artworks within your community. Each individual page has its own map where you can use the Locate Me feature to see where you are in relation to the artwork. All information is updated in real time, so you'll learn the most accurate and current information about our artworks by utilizing the page, as well as information about our artists and collections. We hope you enjoy exploring the collection.